All right, I'm back. That's a little bit better, I think. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be trying out a product that I've actually been eyeballing for quite some time. I've been a little bit skeptical and I decided I'm gonna spend my coins, I'm gonna try it out, I'm gonna see. I decided to pick up magnetic lashes and see how these work out. I've seen people use them and I've thought that is a gimmick, but we're gonna see. I've always struggled with putting on lashes and I eventually just said that they're not for me because I feel like they're too much of a hassle, but I think that these might be the happy medium. So we are going to do a true first impression. This is definitely gonna be true beginner level skill set. So we're gonna be learning together. So I have all my tools here. I have some eyelash curlers that I picked up from Target. I have these Ardell can't talk. I have these Ardell magnetic lash applicators. So these are specifically formulated, designed for magnetic lashes. And then the main event here, we have the Eyelure London Pro Magnetic eyelash lash system, and these are their faux mink lashes. It says easy application, you get up to 15 wears, so that is quite a bit. And it says no glue needed, so that is the part that gets me. I'm like, you don't need any glue. I only see people using the little eyeliner that comes with the lashes, so we're gonna see. All right, so we're back and zoomed in for your viewing pleasure. So you guys can see I don't have any mascara or anything on, just my basic foundation routine. And these are what the lashes look like. Focus. And they look very, very cute. Lots of drama going on here. And then this is the, I keep wanting to say mascara. This is the eyeliner magnetic solution that's gonna hook it up and make sure these adhere to my eyeballs. Another thing that I should note is that I have very, very curly eyelashes. You guys can kind of see them here, but they're super duper curly. So that is another reason why I'm skeptical and I feel like false lashes just really don't work for me. It's actually 2-step instructions, it's not 3-step. It just says apply 3 coats of liner across the entire length of lash line, allow each layer to completely dry, and then step 2 is to apply lashes directly to liner and press to secure. And I would definitely suggest going back in and tight lining your eyeballs, because if you're someone like me, you got some fleshy eyelids, especially with these curly eyelashes, it's kind of hard to get down there to the eyelid base and get eyeliner on there. I am nervous, but I'm ready to be wowed. I'm very nervous, you guys. I feel like with me, just eyelashes, I don't agree. They are not a match made in heaven. We are going to go back in for the final layer. This stuff is thick. All right, so it kind of evened out a little bit. These are what we're working with here. Very, very dramatic, lots of drama. Oh, they're actually magnets. Holy cow, that's super crazy. There are 5 little magnets in there. You can't see them. Oh, well, kinda. The little shiny pieces, if you see the shiny reflective part, they're actually magnets on this lash band. All right, you guys, I think we're dry. It just has like a kind of glossy finish. Oh, you guys. Oh, shoot. Oh. I'm pulling to adjust it a little bit better. I think, okay, we have one on. You guys can see the very fleshy part of my eye that I'll have to go back and fill in. Some mascara on. These are dramatic, very dramatic. I feel good. I didn't use the applicator. I'm gonna go in with the other one and see how this one goes. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm gonna clean it up. I know I'm going to go in and clean it up. I know I look crazy right now, but just bear with me. It's like immediately adhering to my lash line. Like, it's not even giving me a second to like get in there. It just like shoop, like vacuum seals to my eyelid. Wow, look how awake and just, I feel like such a pretty girl right now. I feel like I'm about to flap away for real right now because they're just like sticking straight out, and I need to go in and curl them. I'm going to go tight line my waterline and come back to you guys with the finished look, and I'm going to clean up these wings. All right, so I'm back. I went in with my Marc Jacobs eyeliner and I went in and filled in this lid, and then this one went on a lot easier. I definitely feel like the left-sided lash went on a lot easier. It was easier application. I just have more control when putting on eyeliner on my left side than I do on my right side, as well as the same can be said for putting on the lashes. This one, I didn't get it as close to the waterline as I did with this one. I think as soon as it like just suctioned on there, I was like, oh goodness, it was kind of hard to adjust it after the fact. But on the left side, it was definitely easier to apply. I would definitely recommend an eyelash curler because that makes these less like weapons just coming out and poking people. But yeah, overall, I think that this looks good, especially for a first try. This is definitely more dramatic of an eye than this side. And as you guys can see, I decided to not go with the winged look. I just feel like this is enough drama as it is. And as I'm more comfortable with using the product, then I can go back in and do a winged liner type of situation. Hey guys, that is everything. I am pleasantly surprised. It's definitely gonna take a bit of practice, but this is the first time that I've been able to put on lashes myself. And it was very, very easy. So I definitely think that if you don't like traditional lashes, you kind of struggle with them, you don't like waiting for the glue, you're impatient, me, then I say that these these magnetic lashes are definitely something that you should try out. It just adds the right amount of drama to what you're trying to achieve here. I will definitely practice with these more, and I have another pair of these from a different brand that I'm going to try out, but I definitely see myself wearing these a lot more often. I got these at Target. They were $14.99, so not terribly expensive. If you want to break it down to cost per wear, it says you get 15 wears. It's $14.99. Let's round it up to $15. It costs $1 per wear. So overall, I definitely say that I would wear these again. I might even try and film a makeup tutorial with it. I'm gonna experiment around with it a little bit more before I take that leap to filming looks with it, but I really like it. I think the only thing is that I made it too thick, so I made that, in making the lash line too thick with the liner, that it was quick to adhere to the top part. I think if I had made it thinner on this first go around, it would have been easier to get closer to my lash line, but you live and you learn. I used this, what is this, Benefit They're Real mascara to apply, and then I just used some Target eyelash curlers. So I'll make sure that I link everything down in the description box below, but I am pleasantly surprised. There's a first time for everything. I have never successfully put on lashes myself, so really excited. I can hold off on getting lash extensions for a little bit longer. But that's all that I have for you guys today. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with somebody who you think would enjoy magnetic lashes. Again, show me grace, show me mercy. I really struggle with lashes, so I know that they might look a little wonky, but it's gonna take some practice. And we're learning together. So that is all that I have for you guys. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.